Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a sketch of this photo of Neymar. In this video I will teach you the whole process of drawing the outline of this photo perfectly. You can download this reference photo from the link given in the description of the video. Now let's start our tutorial. To draw this sketch, first of all you need to draw a rectangular grid like this. I am using an A4 size paper, so the size of each square is 2 cm. In total you need 7 rows and 5 columns. Okay, so 7 into 5 grid, and the side of each square is 2 cm. Let's mark the important rows and columns first. So you can mark 3, 4, 5 and 6, and columns 1, 2 and 3. This is because in the first column we will draw the eye, in the third column we will draw the other eye, in the second column we will draw the nose, and for the rows, in the third row we will draw the eyebrows, in the fourth row we will draw the eyes, in the fifth row we will draw the nose, and in the sixth row we will draw the lips. By the way guys, the next batch of my live classes for pencil sketches is starting in the first week of August, so you can go to the link given in the description and enroll for the course. Okay, you can read all the details there. You will see a screen like this. Okay, the enroll button is there for the course, and you can read the details about the course there by going to the link, and also click on the join my community button there and use your email to log in, so you will get all the updates about my upcoming courses in your email. Just go to a link which I have given in the description and read all the details there. Now let's start the process. Let's start with the eye in the fourth row. I am drawing the outline of the eyebrow. Now let's draw the nose. Now let's draw the other eyebrow and other eye. Now let's draw the lips. Now let's draw the outline of the beard and mustache. Now let's draw the outline of the face. You can start from any point. I am just taking the reference from the eyes and eyebrows. Now I am drawing the outline of the ear. Now let's draw the outline of the hair. You might be thinking why I haven't drawn the proper shape of this eye. So as you can see in the photo, this area is very dark. Okay, so we will shade it here. When we'll do the shading in the sketch, we will match it with the photo like this. Okay, that's why I have drawn just rough outlines so that we can just understand where we need to shade and what would be the shape of the eye. Okay, so this is just for the rough idea. This is not the proper shape of the eye, but just the rough idea to help us in shading. Now we can erase the grid lines. So the outline process has been completed. I will complete the sketch in the next part of this tutorial, and I will teach the whole process of shading in this sketch. If you want me to upload the second part, just hit the like button and complete 1500 likes. I know you guys can do it, just hit the like button. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.